Well, I just missed work.
Really? What time is it?
4. What day is it? It's the 11th.
God damn, so we've been up here for 2 days?
Guess so.
How long does it take to die of starvation?
30 days.
Well, that's not too bad.
It only takes 3 days to die of dehydration, though.
Is it like, can we, like, choose one or the other?
No, you can't choose one or the other.
Okay, but, like, what if I just wanted to die of starvation and not dehydration?
You can't choose. You will die of dehydration before dying of starvation.
So I'm gonna die twice then?
You're only gonna die once of dehydration.
Okay. Joey! My belt. We can use it to lower us down.
I think it's too weak.
Well, we never know until we try.
You'll never know if you try because you'll fall and be dead.
Again with the death. We have to think of something.
We've been thinking.
Barely. We have to use the belt. We've got to.
No, Judah, it won't work. That's what I think of your belt idea.
What the fuck? That could have saved us! You killed us!
You were going to kill yourself.
How are we supposed to get down now, huh? How? We're gonna die, 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 we're gonna die. Oh, we're gonna die.
Oh, geez, Judah, sorry. Here, well, we should
Just go to bed.
Judah, what are you doing?
What other choice do I have?
Come on, Judah, if you jump, you'll die.
It's better than staying up here and starving to death.
Judah, don't move. I'm coming down.
Stop! Take one more step and I'll jump.
No.
Maybe I won't die, right? Maybe I'll get hurt, but get up and keep going.
Judah, that will not happen.
What other choice do I have, really? Tell me.
other side.